Come on.
Yes.
Is there a need for you to honk? And is there a need for us to venture out in this weather?
You told me you want to show me Bombay.
Yeah, but
I didn't
mean,
say
we could
that.
have planned this for a different date, right?
I mean, yeah, but then you wanted to show me Bombay.
Well,
you
at
wanted
least we have a Jeep, so no potholes can, unsettle
But
us.
why an SUV? Why an SUV?
Well, why don't we find out through the course of the day?
Yeah, take the
As we
wheels.
You know what? Why an SUV? Why don't I let you answer that? So why don't you drive the car and figure out why do people, the Aam Janta, prefer SUVs so much?
I don't like SUVs.
That's okay. Not a lot of people do because, let's be honest, these vehicles are not dynamically very enthusiastic to drive. But then again, look at the ease. You're not a seasoned or not a regular
Yes,
driver.
I'm
You're
not.
not a regular driver, right? Did you face any issues coming to my place? Did anything unsettle this?
Okay, here's the thing. It's
Okay.
gonna get tougher because I have a few places in mind and I want to see whether your SUV can actually do it.
It will. By the way, this is the Overland edition. Yup.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, I mean, you have suede, you have this nice bronze, golden treatment going
Yeah.
on in the cabin. Looks very premium.
I've
I've always liked the car.
I was actually, happy when I saw the interiors, but then again, it's a huge SUV.
Yeah, it's for families, man. It's not for
I don't
single
have-
riders on a bike. You stick to that and let families go ahead and have a good time exploring Mumbai or any other city that they want to, or any place outside the city, which this car is very capable.
Let's go to
Where are
the...
we heading first, since you said you have...
I just want to have good breakfast, man, and I don't want to have vada pav or whatever.
You're a Bengali, right?
Yes.
You're gonna try some fish? So, mister, as soon as we exit my colony and hit the Sion Trombay Expressway of Mumbai, what are we encountering?
I know why you call yourself
Big
car crazy guy.
potholes! Big freaking potholes! Ones that can damage bumpers of a sedan. Let's be honest.
That was really bad.
And because they're filled with water, it's very difficult to gauge the depth. So that is why you need an SUV, so that you can confidently traverse through all of that, A chatty lady asked the guy to crank up the volume using his steering mounted controls, please.
You can't play the entire song, we'll get copyrighted. Wow, nice bass.
Good speakers, right?
Good speakers.
And no rattle, no vibrations, everything is packaged very tight, very nice, very premium in that sense.
Very robust in that
And
sense.
if you think about it, I mean, I know for now we are just going a few kilometers away within the city limits of Mumbai. But imagine the same vibe when you're out on a long distance road trip.
If I get irritated, I'm getting out of Bombay. Just letting you know before.
I am always up and in for such plans, my friend. Look at the high tide and look at the rains. However, I wanted you to see this part of Mumbai where all the fishes for all our fancy restaurants come from.
Well, it's fishy as hell.
Yeah.
I've opened the window a little bit and it smelled like,
Salt.
fish.
And
salty
a lot of
fish.
Salt. Yeah, lots of it, lots of it.
Oh God. Can we get out of here, because I'm really hungry and I don't think I can eat raw fish. Not a sushi person.
All right, okay. Any
Yeah.
place in particular you want to visit?
Brother, you're the Mumbaikar. I'm the not so Mumbaikar. So
Okay.
would you like to recommend something?
I have said it's on the other side of Mumbai.
Oh,
And on the other... Those are seagulls, right?
Yeah, I think so. I mean, last time.
Let's get a better look. Oh yeah, those are seagulls.
Are you a seagull?
Whack, 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 whack.
Yeah. Oh, what's that? Is it a tunnel?
It is. And this is
Oh.
India's first undersea tunnel.
Oh, damn. Okay.
Yep, it's recently opened up and we are just about to enter. And this is going to be an experience of a kind because... Have you been here?
No, not
Because
quite
bikes
actually.
are not allowed here, so I guess it's place
Okay.
reserved for cars, place reserved for big SUVs.
Yeah.
But yeah, here we go. So 60 kmph is the speed limit here, which we need to adhere to because this is quite a long tunnel.
Okay.
It cuts down the travel time by a good 40 minutes to an hour
Wow.
during peak, traffic hours. Because from one end of this tunnel to another, I think it's roughly about 12 minutes. It's not that I am a fan of the SUV life. However, SUVs are enablers of sorts because you can travel long distance, you can go wherever you feel like, you know. Leave the road, go off-road, explore new places, all of that. Jeep is a very established SUV brand.
True
I
that.
mean, Mahindra has built a whole legacy around Jeep's initial innovation, you know, and this very product has helped a lot of countries win war. And then it has also, you know, introduced the Americans and a lot of other countries to the off-road life, the Jeep life. So a very trusted name. People know that their cars are good. Even though the Meridian is a very flashy 7-seater SUV, and if you look at it, it has a 4-wheel drive low gear ratio, it has a high gear ratio, it has hill descent control, it has different driving modes like sand, snow, it can automatically toggle between the two, you can just leave it in auto.
Auto, yeah.
So, and it's not here just for show. You know, if you do get stuck in muck, this car will pull you out.
Okay.
As long as ground clearance is not an issue. If you want more ground clearance, you can definitely buy the Wrangler, which is a bigger SUV. But that badge on the steering wheel is a trusted brand when it comes to SUV, right? American built, solid, it is luxurious. You know,
Like
it also
you-
has suede touches on the door, on the seat.
Yeah.
It's all through the cabin, not just on the front side. So yes,
It's
when
very
you sit inside
posh.
the car, you feel good.
Yeah.
You know, so it's an SUV that is capable. It's an SUV that is also very comfortable to live with. How many brands can offer all of this together?
Very few.
Very few, right?
Very few.
I mean, no matter where in the world you go, if you tell them you drive a Jeep,
You
they
drive a
know
Jeep.
you
You
drive
drive a
something
Jeep.
substantial. Which other brand can give you that? Exactly.
Not-
Now we are going to Bandra. That's a lot of food.
A lot of food.
You think we went a little overboard?
I think so. You said it's a good place.
It is a good place. Excited to try out these chicken burgers. I mean,
I mean, the
I've
place
had them.
doesn't look that good, but I'm hoping the
Yeah,
food is good.
established in 1920s, by the way. Why do people like SUVs? Because you have so much space. So I can very comfortably place my lime juice here.
And also your friend's lime juice there.
Yep. And I also have place to keep straws. And see, these are not going to spill because the cup holder has swallowed the entire cup.
I like being fat. Bro, I'm done with this city. I can't stay in traffic anymore. Please, please.
Pretty much what happens to Mumbai at 5 p.m.
Yes, please take me out of here. It's a sports utility vehicle sport.
Dodging traffic, dodging potholes is a sport. In
Where will I dodge? Where will I dodge? There's so much traffic everywhere. Brother, why have we changed seats?
Well, I'm just helping you out here. You were too annoyed and too frustrated driving in Mumbai traffic, so I thought I'll take the wheel. I'll get us out of yours.
Yeah, thank you for driving me on clean tarmac roads, but then it's quite comfy to be on the passenger seat as well, I wouldn't lie.
And the seats also have ventilation.
Okay.
So why don't you just, play around with that and turn into a passenger princess?
Yeah,
All in all.
what other options do I have? But okay.
Oh, long distance touring is actually the biggest benefit you can have with such sort of a format here. Good torque from that 2-liter turbocharged diesel engine, so you're cruising at triple-digit speeds while you're also not sipping too much diesel. And
so?
well, that is because you have torque. So even though when you need to overtake, all you need to do is spin that throttle, and you have that torque. And then you also have that 9-speed transmission that helps you manage that torque a lot better. Yes, it is a 9-speed transmission.
How?
I know. Does not have paddle shifters, does not need because diesel and an SUV. But that 9-speed transmission is so smooth, and it is a torque converter. And beat rain, beat snow, this 9-speed automatic transmission manages all of it very well.
Please tell me you're gonna go off the road. Off the road.
Yeah, of course. I mean, you're not driving a hatchback or a compact SUV.
You
right?
didn't have to bring that part.
Yeah.
but okay.
You.
Yes, brother, take all the beauty shots in the world.
I know.
Uh-huh.
You don't get to see all of this in the city.
Yeah, well, we didn't take a lot of pictures like that in the city.
Yeah, because that's just the mundane life. This is extraordinary, don't you think?
I really think so. It's green, it's lush, it's rained, and I can smell the grass. Like,
Yeah.
truly a different smell and taste from whatever Mumbai had to offer.
Exactly.
I think in the hands of a noob like me. So it was a good experience to have it being driven inside the city, to
Yeah.
drive it inside the city, and being showcased in the hands of a professional driver as to what it can do off the road and whatever places it can reach. So quite an epic journey.
And that has brought a lot of transformation. Look at him. Yoga position. Taking nice, breathing the clean air. Yep. There we go.
Oh yes, yeah, really clean.
And of course, since it's an SUV, you can open the boot and you can set yourself a nice, comfortable table.
I hate to say it, but yeah, you can only do that in an SUV because you can't do it in a sedan.
Neither a bike.
Jeep, please start making bikes so I can have a rivalry with him. It's really sad that,
What distance?